Milwaukee buys a bunch of blades, and we show you one badass workbench.
We're giving away a Milwaukee M18 backpack vac with a brand new giveaway with our friends from Milwaukee and Mechanical Hub.
It's Friday, October 5th.
This is your Coptool Weekend Review.
The new Dewalt 20-volt max woodworking tools are finally here, and Brian at Workshop Addict gives us our first glimpse of the new brushless Jigsaw in use, specifically the D-handle version. After giving us a size comparison using the Milwaukee and Bosch competitive models, Brian dives into the performance and features of this latest addition to the 20-volt max family of Dewalt tools. That's all the time that Rob will allow me to talk about this Jigsaw because it's not the barrel grip.
Damn straight.
Well, if you're not strong enough to wait for the barrel grip, head over to Workshop Addict on YouTube.
Now, it's not uncommon for a man to brag about his shop, so when Eric the car guy told us his new workbench was badass, we didn't think much of it. That is until we saw his new video. His new workbench is badass indeed, the 2-bay workbench to be specific, from Badass Workbenches. This isn't a bench, it's a beast. The solid steel surface is perfect for metalworking, and the unique pivoting drawers are rated at 450 pounds each. This 1,000 pounds of workspace is built for jobs bigger than you'll likely ever have. But if you're like me, you still want one. Eric gives us a solid 6 minutes of detailed features, but left some small details out of his review, like price. So we reached out to Cody at Badass Benches ourselves, and he told us that every bench is custom made to order right here in these United States. But one like Eric's would start around $4,000, so tragically, we'll have to keep reporting the power tool news from our IKEA Lineman desktop. If your jobs are bigger than your bench, it might be time to get your own badass solution. You can watch the video on Eric the Car Guy on YouTube.
Bodie is a man's man who owns and operates Bodie Tree Service, a tree care and supply company where he also rehabs and repairs industrial trucks on a massive scale. Once again, the fellas at Tools in Action asked Bodie to put a new tool through its paces. This time, a new Ingersoll Rand Patriotic 5 HP 2-stage air compressor, wrapped in the glory of old glory. And Bodie likes. He's well versed in the quality of Ingersoll Rand and says he expects to use the new air compressor every day at his shop for the next 25 years. If you're in the market for a new solid air compressor for your shop, go give this video a look at Tools in Action on YouTube.
Home Depot disappointed us this week by announcing their 2018 Innovation Award winners, all 3 of them. We've been spoiled by the Pro Tool Innovation Awards, which sported no less than 168 winners this year. So many, in fact, that Clint and Kenny at Pro Tool Reviews put together a top 10 list of the best, literally. So if the thought of only celebrating 3 innovations at HomeDepot.com doesn't wet your award whistle, you might be better off watching PTR's top 10 video on YouTube. You can find it in the links below. Did we win anything this year?
We don't make tools, Rob. In fact, we hardly report on them. The tool brand acquisition train continues full steam ahead this week as Imperial Blades, makers of high-quality made-in-the-USA oscillating tool accessories, has been purchased by Milwaukee. This is a slam dunk for Team Red as the Imperial factory, not Star Wars related, is only about an hour from Milwaukee headquarters in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. And it also greatly expands Milwaukee's catalog of oscillating tool accessories with a premium lineup. Founded in 2008, Imperial Blades is known for their Storm titanium coating, carbide extreme blade, and compatibility with all major brands and tools. Milwaukee also announced they will continue to employ all 69 U.S. employees while increasing their USA manufacturing presence in the States. Good news for America. Who would have guessed?
In other labor-related news, you're all getting replaced by robots. In this dystopian footage, we find a humanoid bipedal robot hanging drywall and using a Hitachi drywall screw gun, probably yours for all I know. The robot finished the job without taking a pee break, complaining about work conditions, or talking back to the foreman. So we have nothing to worry about, right guys? On the other hand, our traditional drywall crew doesn't require $35 million in development cost up front. So we have that going for us. As soon as you're replaced and have nothing else to do, head over to YouTube and watch your replacement in the links below.
If you're not a remodeling robot, but instead a human with 2 fallible lungs, then you are going to love this quick trick from Toolaholic on Instagram. He demonstrates a crafty way to cut tile indoors while minimizing dust using just 2 buckets and a shop vac. Claiming 95% efficiency, you can quickly see for yourself that this downdraft cut station really works. Vacuum manufacturers around the globe are salivating at the marketability of a pre-ported particle collection container, or in layman's terms, a bucket with a hole in it. Go learn for yourself at Toolaholic on Instagram.
It's project time. First up, we head over to Katz Moses Woodworking Shop, where special guest Sean Boyd shows us how to make a beautiful modern bar stool. Using some hard maple, walnut, and a whole slew of power tools, the guys walk you through each step of the process. And good news for our 3 fans with their own CNC machines, they uploaded the templates for free download. We'll include the link to the plans in the description below. Next up, we welcome the Pneumatic Addict to our show for the very first time. She posted a video this week detailing her quest to add some heavy machinery to her workspace without taking up more room. Her solution was to build a clever double-ended flip-top workbench. Using only a few 2x4s and a couple sheets of ply, she built a versatile workbench that supports both her Craig Foreman and her new rigid planer. If you have dreams bigger than your available space, don't miss the Pneumatic Addict on YouTube.
1 week. That's all the time we have left until our studio is taken over and one very cool guy grabs his best Milwaukee drill and heads into the tool review zone to take on its rigid rival. We all thought this was going to be a good idea when we first suggested it, but even as I'm saying these words out loud, it leaves me hesitant, defensive, and a tiny bit scared. This ultimate showdown will be filmed next Friday, and we'll release it a week after. But if you can't wait that long, you can join the VCG Nation and watch the event unfold live on VCG's YouTube channel. The whole thing goes down on Friday, October 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm sure it'll all be fine. These 2 guys seem like super reasonable individuals.
I'm not taking this lightly.
Congratulations are due to Teresa Noonberger for winning our 148-piece Crescent tool set. This week we're starting something new. For the month of October, we're teaming up with Milwaukee and Mechanical Hub to give away something special. To find out what that is, we're aiming our satellites all the way to Minnesota, where we find Eric from Mechanical Hub. Hey, Eric.
Hey guys, welcome to my job site. What's going on?
Thanks for joining us, man. We understand that we're giving away something really special this month. What is it?
Yeah, we're giving away this awesome M18 backpack vac from Milwaukee. I've been using it on some of my job sites like this one here for a while. I think it's pretty sweet.
That's awesome, man. So how exactly does everybody get entered?
That part is easy. Just head over to coptool.com/contest and fill out the form there. And this month you'll get extra entries if you follow me, Mechanical Hub, on Instagram or our YouTube channel, Mechanical Hub TV.
Well, this is exciting, Eric. We really appreciate you doing this with us, even if the prize does kind of suck.
Okay, whatever, I'm done here.
Special thanks to our friends at Mechanical Hub for helping us with this giveaway, and to Milwaukee for giving us a brand new vac so we don't have to send you Eric's dirty one. As he mentioned, you just have to go to coptool.com/contest to enter. You only have until October 31st, so you better get going.
And just like that, another fine episode of Week in Review comes to a close.
But don't worry, we'll be back next Friday. If you subscribe now and click the little bell, your phone will tell you when the next episode goes live.
So don't forget, if you're looking for quality power tools, like some that you may have seen right here on this very show, be sure to visit our sponsor, OhioPowerTool.com, where you can buy pro-level tools from actual pros.
Excellent sponsorship plug there.
Thanks. It's written right there for me to read.
We'll see you next week.